Did you know there's a bird so big, so quiet, and so intimidating? It's called the deaf pelican. Meet the shoebill, standing 5 feet tall with eyes that don't blink and a beak like a shoe or a weapon. But here's the wild part, it doesn't move. It just stares, still, silent, waiting. When I saw one for the first time, I thought it was a statue until it suddenly clapped its massive beak like thunder. Not to warn, just to show who's boss. The shoebill doesn't chase. It waits, and when it strikes, it's deadly accurate, swallowing baby crocodiles whole. But here's the twist, it bows to zookeepers like royalty greeting a servant, a bird that terrifies and shows respect. It's not just a bird, it's a living contradiction. Would you stand still if it stared at you from 3 feet away?